FR1 RE-Vive collection again starts with a capital R and capital E, indicating that the collection is using recycled product. So RE-Vive. And what is RE-Vive? RE-Vive is synonymous to our bestseller, Blockbuster, and it is a double width demount and with the same characteristic as our bestseller. So you will find the same opacity, 96%, so giving you a real sort of like comfortable feeling inside your room. You have privacy and you have also opacity from the sound, so you can really keep it or you can really have beautiful nights. And what is special about RE-Vive? It is the first of our many, I hope, in the future. It's our first collection with a 100% recycled polyester FR content. So 100% recycled from the GRS standard, so global recycling standard. Again, a guarantee that all the fabric that you have in front of you is made of recycled polyester yarn. So what we have done here is to make sure that the content is to the optimum level, 100%. And again, a very interesting color palette, 24 colorways, and it's coming in complementary to Blockbuster, as I mentioned, our best seller ever at FR1, and now giving you a new options if you want to be closer and also if you want to be kinder to nature. The particularity is every time you're going to use 1 meter of RE-Vive, you will take away and you will recycle 20 bottles of plastic. So that's the kind of dimension. So and this is what we wanted to do with FR1, making sure that our products are going to become more and more sustainable and giving you also the guarantee that it is done in the proper way. Still, and which is very important, a high performance product, so high performance on the FR side. FR because it meets all the most stringent world standard. Here we are talking about the French M1, the IMO standard, the European standard, the British, the German B1.
All FR1 fabrics are fully tested and certified under the Green Ecotex 100 standard. This means that FR1 fabrics are environmentally safe and are not harmful to human health.
We are covering 28 different world standards to make sure that when you specify FR1, you can specify with the peace of mind that it can be used in any environment. So a very high sort of like cover, worldwide cover for this quality, but also the certainty that this is done not by using topical treatment, but inherently within the molecular structure of the polyester, and in this case, the recycled polyester FR. So a very safe fabric to be around and to use. At the same time, the other particularity is you can wash this fabric at higher temperature. And we are also following, which is something very important, and especially nowadays, we are following the American Hospital washing standard that requires the fabric to be washed at 160 degrees Fahrenheit, which is the equivalent of 71 degrees Celsius. So the 71 is a strange number, but it also indicates, it gives you a clue why this temperature. When you go above 70 degrees Celsius, you basically kill all the bacteria and the viruses. So it's a number above which no bacteria or viruses can survive. And this is just to demonstrate that you can push the fabric and you can get from this fabric a lot more should you have to wash the fabric or should you sort of like you are concerned about the cleanness of the room itself. So a very, I will describe, easy product to manage. A good color palette as well, giving RE-Vive really the sort of like the direction for the future of our collections of FR1. So RE-Vive collection FR1.